How to change the Raj Sailor account name. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to change your Daraz Sailor account name. In order to do this procedure, first of all, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. So when you actually create a Daraz Sailor account and that you keep your name for the store, that will be a permanent store name, and accordingly there will be no such thing as change your sealer name. But then if you wish to change it, contact the support team, state about the issue, and they should be able to find a solution for you and they'll look into your matter. So in order to contact the support team, you have to open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in helpcenter.daraz.pk. That's going to take you to this page where you can go ahead and just type in the issue, and accordingly you'll be able to make changes with your store name. So that's how you can work with changing your store name or sealer's account name on the Daraz app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.